to know to find the slope-intercept form is how to find the slope of a line and how to find the y-intercept of a line. Okay? Okay. The easy way to remember the formula is y, oh my god, equals mx plus b, and m means to move and b means to begin. M is the slope and b is the y-intercept, because that's where it begins. Okay, over here. Wait, if you have an equation, you have to remember y equals mx plus b.
Okay.
The number that has the x behind it is the slope, and the number that's added or subtracted is the y-intercept. So I'm going to write a problem down. You have to tell me what's the slope and what's the y-intercept. Which one's the slope?
The 2, the x behind the dash.
So it's 2 over 2. And which one's the y-intercept? Adam?
A y, 5.
An easy way to remember that something is a slope is it'll always have an x behind it.
Okay. Now we have to do a graph. Okay. Do you know what the slope is on this?
Number 1 past number 4.
No.
No, number 1 to number 3.
Okay.
Number 1 dot to number 3 dot.
Now, the slope. Okay. The slope is where,
Rise over run.
yeah, the rise over the run. But you have to find the y-intercept first, and that's where the line goes through the y-axis. This
Can I
is
just
y,
do the problem?
and this is x.
Let him solve the problem, Reese.
Which number is the point going through it?
No, the y.
Y?
No, that's why it's going through the 1 and 3.
No. The y-intercept is 1. Because the line goes through 1 and then goes up 2 over 2. So the slope is,
It goes up 3.
no it doesn't, 1, 2, 1, 2.
The slope.
What? Okay.
The slope is 2 over 2.
Yeah, whoops. I can't see that good from back here.
Can I just say
Time, Gavin. So what's the whole equation? If it's y equals mx plus b, what is the actual equation? Slope is m,
okay, yeah.
y-intercept is b. So what's the whole equation?
Y equals mx plus b.
Yeah, but you have to take the letters out and put the actual numbers down. So it's y equals
Wait, I know what
2 over 2x plus 1. Get it? You ready
Alright.
for practice problems?
I just want to set it up.
These are the practice problems. Easy ones. So let's do the first one. What's the slope of this problem? It's one with x behind it.
5.
Yeah. So that's 5. What's the y-intercept?
That's the b. 3 is.
3.
Yeah, 3 is the b.
What's the slope of this problem? This one with the X behind it.
3.
No.
The 7.
7 over 3. And what's the y-intercept?
3.
No.
4.
But what kind of 4? It's not positive, so it's
Oh, it's minus.
it's negative.
Same thing.
Okay. Now let's go down to the graphs. What's the slope? Or wait, what's the y-intercept? It's going through what on the y-axis?
Oh, no. Let's go to the 3.
But what 3? It's not a positive 3, it's a
Negative.
negative 3. And then what's the slope? It goes up 1, 2, 3, and over 1, 2. So what is it? 3 over 2.
2.
And then the slope is 3 over 2x. Okay, so now the next, or wait, what's the whole equation then?
What?
Your y equals mx plus b, so what's the whole equation?
Y. I'm trying to see this. Y equals
3 over
3 over 2 plus
Wait, 3 over 2 what?
3 over 2 negative. I mean, no.
3 over 2
Add x. 3 over
Mine?
2x.
It's a negative 3, so what is it?
Minus 4.
Minus 3. And what is the okay. Now we go to the next problem,
That's him.
and the y-intercept is
Negative.
negative 4. And what is the slope? You go up 1, 2, over 1, 2. So what's the slope? 2 over
2. I just told you.
2. X. So what's the whole equation?
Y equals 2 over 2.
2 over 2x.
Negative.
Negative 4, so it's minus 4. And then, what is the rule for a problem that has a 5, like a regular number instead of a fraction? You put it over 1 to make it easier to understand, but you keep it as itself for a final equation. And then, if the number, or wait, if the what is subtracted, it means it's what? Is it a slope? It means it's negative. Y-intercept means positive. Y-intercept means negative. Slope means positive. Gavin?
Negative. Okay. A is slope negative. B is y unit.
Y-intercept
Y-intercept.
positive. Y-intercept negative.
C is and D is slope positive.
So which one do you think it is?
I would say A. No, I would say D. Yeah.